Are you tired of Gmail's Smart Compose feature constantly suggesting words as you type your emails? Well, in this video, I'll show you how to disable Smart Compose on Gmail on your PC with the new update. First, open gmail.com in your web browser. Next, look for the gear icon at the top bar of your Gmail dashboard and click on it. Then, select See All Settings from the drop-down menu. In the Settings menu, navigate to the General tab and find the Smart Compose section. Here, you'll see an option for writing suggestions. Click on the drop-down menu and select Off to disable Smart Compose. After making this change, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on Save Changes to apply the new settings. A confirmation prompt will appear, asking you to confirm the changes. Click on OK to finalize the process, and that's it. You have successfully disabled Smart Compose on Gmail on your PC. Now you can compose emails without any unwanted word suggestions interrupting your flow. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Thanks for watching.